Hey there, aspiring yarn artists. Welcome to Crochet Republic, the go-to channel for all things yarn and hooks. I'm Chanel, and today we're diving into the exciting world of choosing the right tools to kickstart your crochet journey with us. Before we unravel the magic of stitches, it's crucial to set the stage with the right gear. We will use the same yarn and hook size for all our stitch tutorial videos, so keep yours handy when you're done with this video. In this episode, we're addressing the essential questions. Which yarn should I choose for learning? How do I match a hook to my yarn? And what's the ideal way to grip your hook? It's like picking the perfect team before a crochet adventure. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your memory, this tutorial series is perfect for you. We'll break down the process step by step, making it super easy to follow along. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all of our crochet adventures. For step 1, let's talk yarn. For this tutorial, we will be using Elle's chunky pure gold yarn in a bright red color called Radicchio. We selected this color so you can easily see what we are doing on the screen. You may use any light color you like and any brand of chunky yarn that you have handy. To use our yarn, we need to start by removing the label. Next, you find your yarn end. Your yarn has two ends. This is called the tail end. It's the point where your yarn ball begins. This is the working end of your yarn. As you can see, it's the end that forms the remainder of your yarn ball. You will always work from the tail end towards the working end when you crochet. For step 2, let's talk hooks. A wide variety of crochet hooks exist, and each type comes in a variety of sizes. Each size is suitable for a different yarn size. Choose your hook type based on what you find most comfortable to hold. Each type of hook will come in all the sizes. I'm using a basic aluminum hook for these videos. The recommended hook size for our chosen yarn is 5.5 millimeters, but I like to have a nice tight weave. Using a slightly smaller hook than recommended helps me to achieve this. For this project, I will be making use of a 5 millimeter hook. The size of your hook should be stamped somewhere on your hook. It varies by brand, but mine is marked here, in the middle. This is the back end of your hook. This is the hook end. Note that the hook only curves to one side. This little tip right here is what I am talking about when I mention your hook tip. While you crochet, you will need to twist this tip to face in different directions. Sometimes it will need to point towards your body, like this. Sometimes it will need to point downwards, like this. Sometimes it will need to point towards the ceiling, like this. For step 3, let's talk grips. There are two main ways to grip your hook when you crochet: the pencil grip and the knife grip. When I hold my hook, I make use of a pencil grip, which is basically the same way you would hold a pencil. I find this the most comfortable way to hold my hook, but some people prefer to use a knife grip instead, where they hold it like a butter knife. There's no right or wrong way to hold your hook. It is a matter of comfort. Try both grips and choose the one that is most comfortable for you. And there you have it, future yarn artists. We've covered the ABCs of choosing the right tools and grip to complete this series of crochet tutorials. I hope this guide has set you on the path to crochet success. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Crochet Republic for more crochet tips, tricks, and creative projects. Ring that bell to stay updated on all our upcoming yarn-filled escapades. Thank you for joining us on this crochet journey. You can also find Crochet Republic on Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. Links are in the introduction below the video for easy access. Handmake with love until we meet again in the Crochet Republic. Bye for now!